Hope you're all good and safe home. And can you hear me? Is everyone hearing me?
Yes, but you're quite clear.
Yeah. Okay.
Participants
Okay.
can write in the chat box if they have the inquiry. I've muted you all so it doesn't disturb the trainer.
Fine. That's
If you have
better.
any query or if you have any doubts or if you want to interact, you can write in the chat box. Okay, I'll
Okay.
mute myself also right now.
Sure. So welcome everyone again on my behalf. Okay. I said myself Mohammad Ilyas. I'm the trainer for IoT and Python stuffs and IT expert training. Okay. So as Mohammad Saad was telling, IT expert training was created to bring in all the experts from different fields and give trainings the most efficient way, affordable way, especially to students. Okay, so this course was designed to be what to say a precise one. So let me go into the let me share my screen so that you can see the PPT and we'll start. And if you're not seeing it, let me know. Is everyone seeing my screen? I hope you're able to see my screen. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Thanks for the response. So ultimate Python path. So that's the name I gave to this thing. The reason why we gave it as path is because it doesn't stop with only one topic. Python, as you all know, uh, it's for anything and everything. That's why we brought in so many applications into the single path. Okay. And about me, uh, this is me. Don't mind this side picture. This is okay. This is me. I'm the founder and CEO of Alsens Technology Services. It's a startup. Okay, we started around 2015 to 16, in the mid of that, and we were like 4 to 5. Okay, when we started as a training. We were actually training people on IoT mainly and robotic stuff. But then more things got into picture, like we went into Python, embedded systems, and so many other steps now, like chatbots and all that. So that's about Alsense, and we have a separate division for products and projects. We develop products and we do research. Okay, let me open chat box. Someone, is anyone? Okay, your voice is cracking. Can you guys let me know if it's proper? Okay, okay. Who has problem? We just okay, it's clear there. Fine, fine. Okay, so most of you say it's clear, so I'll just continue. Those are not getting it properly, please check your internet connection. If it's slow, it might result in you know uh, voices. So I'll continue with this. So that's about Alsens Technology Services. And about me personally, I have a master's degree in mechatronics engineering. Okay, so I did my BE in Alia Muhammad Saleh College of Engineering in Avadi, Chennai, and then my master's in mechatronics from JPR. Okay, and as I was doing my master's, I was working too. I was working as a robotics trainer in a company called Simple Labs. Okay, they are specialized in Arduino and Raspberry Pi platforms. So I was working as a robotics trainer and I was doing my masters. And this Alsens, the idea of starting a new company started when I was in the last semester of my masters. So as I was doing my projects, I started my company, and alhamdulillah, it's been like 5 years since I've been running this. And we have taken a very from since then, from 2016 until now, and I have totally like 7+ years experience. Okay, I started my career itself as a trainer. Okay, there's no prior experience like working somewhere. I mean, or any other desktop work or something. My total experience is being a trainer. Okay, I started teaching on robotics first, and then Arduino mainly, embedded systems. And then as I started Alchins, we went into IoT. IoT was a very hot topic that time. Okay, so we started with IoT and then Python, computer vision, and all that. Now we are looking at so many other options, so there's so many other upcoming trends to get into. And for the last 3 4 years, we have been like conducted 150 plus workshops across Tamil Nadu mainly, then Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and we have been to Bangalore mainly, and we have conducted online trainings too. Almost like I have trained almost like 10,000 students personally. Okay, we used to go to hackathons, college fest, symposiums, and all that, and have conduct trainings there. 1 day session, 2 day session, or half a day session on different topics. IoT was the main thing I was into, and and yes, we used to like train and guide people on for competitions, especially during this January, February months. People used to come for like projects and all that. We guide them. We don't do the projects. We're not project center. We don't do the projects. We guide them, and we help them crack hackathon competition and all that. So that's about us and me. And now we are into industrial automation too. We develop products for industries, like IoT related stuffs where we monitor machines and take data out of it to give useful insights. Okay, that's what we do. And we develop robots. We are currently developing robots for hotels, restaurants, and medical applications. You would have seen so many robots for this COVID-19 coming up. We are working on that too. Okay, for medical applications and restaurants mainly. So that's about me in short. Now coming to the path, okay, this Python path. Uh, Before that, you should know why you need to learn Python. See, Python has been there since 1990s. Okay, it's been there since before Java. But Java was ruling the world for the, let's say, for the past 10, 15 years. Python's, even though it was there before that, it didn't pick up. But now with advancements in machine learning, data science, and all these stuffs, Python came into prominent picture. The reason being, Python is the simplest. Okay, compared to many major programming languages, Python is the best when it comes to simplicity, easiest. And personally, if you take me, I was doing EC. Okay, I in B in bachelor's, and even masters I was doing mechatronics. There was not much programming in both my college studies. I was very weak in programming. I was doing only this Arduino programming based on C. Okay, even that not much. Okay, when it comes to robotics, there's not much programming. There is programming, but still very less compared to IT technologies. But then I entered into Python when I started learning Raspberry Pi. I hope many of you know what is Raspberry Pi. That's a Python based embedded platform. Guys, can you hear me? Someone said it's lost. You hear me, everyone? Okay. Okay, fine. Clear. Okay, let's continue. So I was learning Python with Raspberry Pi. So I was learning programming through robotics, and I've been applying the same concept through all my teachings and trainings. See, this path is mainly intended to give you more practical knowledge than the theory knowledge. Theory in the sense, we have seen programming courses which is like 30 40 hours only based on Python basics. Only Python. Only Python. Okay. Python core to advanced, basics to core, basics to advanced, whatever, from zero to hero. Now, all these are there. Everything is like you learn only Python for 30 40 hours. But once you learn it, you get into application very rarely. I have seen people, 90% of them who take online trainings. Okay, since the course is very vast, they lose interest at some point because they don't see the actual application at any point. Now, this path is created with applications in mind. You can see it. You all these different things you see on the screen, getting started with Python or automation, web development, computer vision. Everything is not more than like 4 5 hours. Everything is crispy. to the point, and there's no much like theory part here. We do it and we'll show it. That's how I have taken all the courses. So the point is, you don't learn Python and then enter into application. That's not how I learned Python. I got into the application robotics mainly, and then IoT, and then learn Python. Through that, I learned Python. I did and learn things. So that's the approach we have taken this throughout this path. Okay, so that's what the path. That's why we have this. All these four make one path, and finally you end with real-time projects. Now that thing is like you will whatever you learned in all these four courses, you'll be combining them, or separately you'll be doing real time projects, real world projects, and that is getting ready. So before you finish all these courses, that will be given to you. The management will contact you and give you access with certain terms. Okay, so that is it. That is the path. So you'll start with Python basics. That won't last like not much. Excuse me. So okay, explain. Okay, you want to explain all these four courses, fine. See, getting started with Python is all about basics of Python. Okay, let me show you. Excuse me. Let me show you the course overviews of all these. So okay, someone has raised his hand here. Okay, what is the duration of this course? Okay, see, each and every course is not more than like 4 or 5 hours. We kept it that way. We want to we want to make it easy. So this is it. So this is the Python overview for the getting started with Python. I hope you can see the course overview, everyone. This is for the getting started with Python. Okay, where we okay, I think you're not seeing it. Now you're seeing the course overview, guys. The content of the course. No, wait a sec. Okay, I have shared only. Okay, let me. Give me 2 minutes. I'll just bring in all the course overviews so that you can get to know the course contents.